Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're venturing my channel for the first time today, hi, hello, and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave today. But for today's video, we have our winter FabFitFun box right here. So we're going to open this up and see what kind of cozy goodies we have in here for the winter months. So if you guys are curious on your options for your box for the winter season, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, before we hop into the box, I am all kind of neoned out because I last minute bought tickets to go see Ray Volpe, I believe, in Rochester. He's the one, if you were familiar with EDM, electronic music, he's the one that did like the Laser song, Laser Beam, when it's like laser, laser, laser. Laser, laser, laser. Rock the If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. And I just look like an idiot just now. But I'm excited. I didn't realize he was going to be in Rochester. And so I'm going to go and see that concert by myself again because I don't have any friends that like electronic music. So I finally used the Suva UV Hydra FX collection. So you have a bunch of neon colors in here that are UV activated. So hopefully the makeup will look really cool tonight. And I didn't really have any like warm weather rave clothes, so I'm literally wearing Brooks running gear, matching vest and leggings, and it's reflective, so it should also look cool. And I might bring my running vest because it lights up, but I'm not sure. That might be too extra. And then it'll keep me warm while I'm standing in line to get in. So I think the little graphic liner turned out cool. I haven't done a lot of graphic liner in a while, and I have some like neon sour ice highlighter going on from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so I think it looks kind of cool. Alright, so now to FabFitFun box. This is the winter month. I am like the annual member, so I was able to choose all the items in this box. I believe I didn't lock in my price for the next year, so I believe the price is going to go up for me in the spring when I renew for my yearly membership, so that's going to suck. But hopefully the boxes are still good and worth the subscription. They kind of went through like a rough patch where I thought the boxes weren't as good, but I think they've gotten better lately, so hopefully this box will also be pretty good. So we have the magazine, again, which used to be useful because it told you what was in the box and how much like everything was worth, but now it doesn't, so it just requires me to look up stuff when I'm editing so I can post how much everything is worth down here and then the overall total of the box. The first item is some slippers that I do remember choosing and appreciating the choice. These ones actually look better. I think I've gotten slippers from them before that like weren't that great, and usually I just get a pair of moccasins from Walmart and they last really well, but they are kind of like destroyed right now. So I chose these Chinese laundry slippers. Medium large is supposed to fit like an 8 to a 9, and they're worth $39.95 for these slippers. I can already tell I would not actually pay $39.95 for these slippers, but let's open them up and like see how they feel. Alright, putting them on, I can already tell that they are very thin, so they probably won't last long, but honestly, like, they fit pretty good with socks, so they probably fit good without socks. And yeah, they're really soft. They are slip-ons, so there's no back to them. Oh, that's really awkward trying to show you them, but cool. I can have these as a backup slipper for mine, which should probably be thrown away because they're gross and stuff. So yeah, pretty happy about that, and they're pretty cozy for the winter. Okay, next, this is the Fila Flexible Back Stretcher. Apparently it's worth $50. I'm not going to quite open this up and put it together right now, but it's one of those things that like you can put together and you like arch your back over it and it's supposed to stretch it and like crack it. My sister already got her box and she said that it was like okay. She didn't think it was like life-changing. So there's that. I was pretty excited for it, but I guess I'll have to like eventually open it up and see if it works. I don't know, maybe I'll do that after this video because I feel like my back could use a good stretch, especially before I go and rave my face off. Oh, I forgot this was in here, and it's really good I didn't buy one, but this is a Socialite Hooded Sherpa Throw worth $60. First impressions, it's really soft. I'm not going to put my face on it because I have makeup on. So this is like a hooded throw, I think. So yeah, you put this on your hood, and then it's not like a robe, it's like a blanket, so you can cuddle up. So I would definitely like throw this around, like especially when I'm like downstairs and our living room gets kind of cold and I'm watching like a Bills game or something, or we're doing a movie night. I can throw this around my upper portion and then use one of the blankets that I've gotten from a previous FabFitFun box and put that in my lap and be all comfy cozy. So I really like this. This is nice. It's nice and soft. Again, I don't think it's worth $60, but it's cute. All right, now getting to the smaller items. This is the Karuna Tone and Drench Sheet Mask. It is a 4-pack for $20, so that means each one is $5. So we have 4 in here. We have a tone sheet mask that is black hoof mushroom and antioxidants. Okay, and then the other one is the drench mask, and that's peony and prickly pear. So since there are 4, I will keep one of each for me, and I will put one of each of the others into my Christmas giveaway, which again, if you are not subscribed and have notifications turned on, you definitely want to do that so you don't miss when that video goes live. Okay, so the next items are a bundle. We have the Ace Beauty Serenity Palette, and then we have the Aria removable, reusable makeup swab things. So together these are worth $45. So let's look at the Ace Beauty palette. I have a few Ace Beauty palettes and they're okay, but honestly, like I don't use the ones I already have because they just don't like wow me. I think like they're just like okay. So here's the Serenity palette up close. It is your basic neutral palette. It kind of gives me like knockoff, like ABH vibes maybe. But honestly, like I don't think I need to keep this one. So this might also go into the Christmas giveaway. So that would be exciting. I usually always like have a bunch of skincare items that go into the giveaway because I have so much skincare. So it's nice to be able to throw in some makeup items as well. And then these are like the reusable makeup swabs. I don't know, I feel like I already have some of these and I haven't really used them. I just think they're weird and interesting. So they come in like a cute little carrier. And I'm not sure how you open it. Oh, it twists. So it doesn't actually come off. It just like twists to open and then they're in there. That's interesting. I don't know if I'm going to keep that again. Because I already have some and I like don't use them. Like, I don't know. I have some Q-tips on my desk that I use. Like if I get like mascara somewhere around my eye and then I wait for it to dry and then just kind of rub it to flake it away. But that's usually the only time I actually use that. Okay, and then the last one is another little bundle. We have an Ico Double Axe Shadow Stick with Sharpener. We have a pair of Babe Lash or Batted In lashes. And then we have another curler, eyelash curler. So the 3 of those together, all 3 of these are apparently $77. $77 my butt. I think it's because of the Batted In lashes. Like, I think they're like weirdly expensive. But let me see. These are in the style Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. So that's what they look like, and it comes with their own little glue. I have like one other pair of their lashes that I feel like I've only worn once or twice. Yeah, so here are the lashes that I have. These are the Harlow style. I have used them, but I feel like they were like a little difficult to try and put on. But I mean, these ones look cute, so I guess I'll give them a shot and try them on. And hopefully I can get them to work. Okay, and then the eyelash curler, it looks pretty similar to the one that I have, and mine is like filthy. I'm not sure if they are the same ones. Yeah, Babe Lash. Pretty sure I got these Babe Lash ones from a FabFitFun box previously, and they could definitely be replaced. Yep, so here are the brand new ones. Let's just compare. Like, I could clean my old one, but it's just like, it's gone too far. So I'm definitely going to replace those. And then this Ico sharpener and shadow stick. I don't use shadow sticks at all, so that will also be going into a giveaway. Okay, so that was today's really quick unboxing. The total value of my box was $291.95. Overall, it was okay. Like, I think it was pretty good. The little bundle stuff that they do, I don't necessarily like because it's a lot of repeat items, or like I might like one item that's in the bundle but not the other ones. So I really do like the Sherpa throw, and I like the slippers. I think that's like the perfect wintry, cozy vibe. I don't remember if there was any candle options. I'm honestly surprised like there wasn't a candle or I didn't choose a candle. Sheet mask. I always love a good sheet mask, and I'm able to replace my eyelash curler, but I also have some stuff that I'm willing to put into a future giveaway, which normally doesn't happen with my unboxings because I usually like everything and I get to keep it. So I think today was like a good balance of stuff that I like and I can keep and stuff that I can pass it along to you guys. Well, that's everything for today's super quick video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys, and subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to the Feline family. Bye!